Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about scholarship opportunities at University of Pretoria, South Africa. I have made this word file to summarize the scholarship, okay? So, MasterCard scholarship at University of Pretoria, fully funded, okay, has announced the opening of application period for 2025 MasterCard scholarship at UP for qualified and international interested African students who are willing to study in South Africa. MasterCard's foundation offer full student scholarship to students who applied for and have been admitted to one of the programs at University of Pretoria. MasterCard scholarship at University of Pretoria will cover full tuition fee, accommodation, meal and accommodation, laptop and living stipend of successful candidates for duration of master's program. In this post, we will highlight simple terms, detail eligible requirements, benefit, and step-by-step application process for MasterCard scholarship. So host country is South Africa, and you will study in Africa. Categories are undergraduate, postgraduate, and master scholarship. All African countries are eligible to apply, and this is full scholarship, living, stipend, laptop, accommodation, travel cost will be covered. Okay. Deadline is 13th September 2024. If you want to join our WhatsApp group, I have added the link in the description. You can join our WhatsApp group as well. So MasterCard scholarship at UP details. These are the some details of the scholarship. So is a partnership with MasterCard Foundation in currently offering scholarships for high achieving African students interested in studying at postgraduate level. MasterCard Fellowship scholarship offers full scholarship to selected students who have been admitted to study towards postgraduate degree at UP. Graduate must return to their home countries on completion of their studies. Okay. So the requirements are be citizen of Africa. Okay. Come from economically disadvantaged background and demonstrate financial needs, demonstrate leadership potential, and ought to be involved in a giving back project. Academic excellence is paramount, and students have to maintain a high academic average at all times. MasterCard scholarship at UP benefits. So it covers your full tuition fee, your accommodation at UP residence, okay, and it will cover your meal, your book and printed material, monthly modest monthly stipend, medical aid, travel cost will be covered. Cost of one visa application will also be covered. Okay. Available programs at MasterCard scholarship at UP are Faculty of National and Agriculture Science, Faculty of Economic and Management Science, Faculty of Humanities for entry into political studies or international studies only. Faculty of Law, okay, and Faculty of Education, Faculty of Engineering, Information Technology. How you can apply? You will have to first apply to secure your admission to undergraduate or postgraduate degree at University of Pretoria. Then submit your application electronically to that email address or deliver printed copy to the Department of Education Innovations Recipients Office. Okay, download the download and complete the hard copy of postgraduate application form and download and print the postgraduate application form provided below. Okay, this is for undergraduate and this is for graduate. Your application will be under review process. You will be notified the outcomes. Okay, only successful applicant will be conducted for interview. Here this is the web page. Okay, how you can apply. Interested in applying for master graduate foundation scholarship program. Okay, then UP application process, the academic, you can click here. Okay, for UP application process. Step wise is you need to apply for to up first to initiate application process, then download and complete the hard copy of the relevant application form as I have discussed here. Okay, and send on that email address. Okay, here you can see this is for undergraduate application form, this is for postgraduate application form. Step 2 is submit your application electronically to that email address. Okay, step 3 is post submission. Your application will undergo review process. You will be notified of outcomes afterward. If you do not hear back from us, please assume your application was not successful. Period to admission into program, or eligible candidates will undergo an interview as part of selection process. Okay, so this is the application process. This is the MasterCard Foundation Scholar Program at UP. You can take a look here. Okay, and eligibility criteria, you can click here. So here they have discussed application process. Okay, and eligibility criteria here. Application are open to undergraduate, honor and master student that have applied and have been accepted to University of Pretoria. Okay, and program is aimed at African youths facing significant socio-economic challenges, including refugees, internally displaced persons. Okay, applicants must exhibit leadership qualities and a commitment to community service through involvement in projects, social activities, or religious organization, demonstrating a dedication to making a difference. Scholars must demonstrate outstanding academic performance, maintaining a high academic average as a critical component of programs expectations. So that was the eligibility criteria. Duration of the program. Okay, undergraduate form. For undergraduate form you can click here. For postgraduate form you can click here. For example, you are applying for undergraduate, then you can click here. So this is the form for undergraduates. Okay, you can carefully read this complete form before submitting your application, and also you need to complete the required information. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Okay, this is the complete form. Okay, similarly, if you want to apply for postgraduate, then you can click here. Master Foundation Scholar Program Postgraduate Application Form 2024-5. Okay, so this is the form exactly as we have saw for undergraduate, but this will have different fields. You need to complete all these, monthly expenditure and total income of the family, so they can judge you whether you are eligible to apply or not. Okay, if you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We daily upload the videos for students who are seeking for scholarship opportunities, and I wish all of you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, guys. Take care. Bye bye.